Hello, I'm Manukriti Goyal. I'm a counseling psychologist and a psychotherapist with 3 years of experience working with individuals, and I also see couples. I work with people who have relationship concerns, who have emotional wounds that they would like to address, self esteem issues, stress. All those can be worked when you're working with me. I do believe that the key to success in life is constant unlearning and relearning. In my free time, I love dancing, I love humor, and this would be a great place for us to connect and work together. In the very first session, I allow the liberty and the freedom for the client to show up as they are. They can come and tell me everything that's weighing heavy on their heart. Or if there's someone who needs more structure, I have a long list of questions that I can ask you just to get to know you better. If you're nervous and hesitant about therapy, I can completely understand where you're coming from. But this is a space where you're allowed to be just you. And we welcome you with non judgment and a lot of empathy, which is very difficult to find in our life outside. So come and experience this with us. So I won't be able to give you a perfect number for that because some people come in just for the insight and they feel better with that. Some people stay longer because they would like to understand with the insight that we've built in our work, how do we apply that and actually bring change into our life? I personally believe that everybody can benefit from therapy in some way or the other, right? It could be something as small as you struggling to find fulfillment in your job. It could be as simple as not being able to communicate your needs to your parents. And if that sounds like you, then there's something that we can do together in therapy. I work with people who are having relationship concerns and they're recovering from childhood trauma. This can look like communication issues with their partner, difficulty maintaining friendships. It could be like difficulty maintaining your own self esteem when it comes to situations that require a lot of preparation and anxiety for you. Some things that I've noticed in my clients after therapy is that they've been able to regulate and identify their emotions better. They're able to notice what is happening in them and identify it before it takes hold of their reactions. It also allows them to pause before they react, which has maintained so many difficult relationships for them that they found difficult in the past. Me as a therapist, I come up with a space that is warm, welcoming, and completely judgment free. And if that is something you need, with the side of doing the difficult conversations and holding you accountable for your narratives, then I'm the right therapist for you. Hi, I'm Anukriti Goyal, and if you would like to book an online therapy session with me, you can find me on FYP Live, which is a online therapy platform for mental health and wellness.